Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to correct one thing, the sign of half the angle in terms of the sides I have discussed earlier, but this was a mistake in book printing, that here was written s, but I know I have removed s because sine alpha by 2 is always equal to under root s minus b into s minus c over bc, and sine beta by 2 is always equal to s minus a s minus c over ac, and sine gamma by 2 s minus a s minus b over ab, where 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. I discussed earlier before exercise 12.5. Now I am telling you the right formula. Circles connected with triangle. Methods of drawing of the following three kinds of circles related to a triangle. Now we are going to discuss what is circumcircle, what is incircle, and what is excircle. Circumcircle, please look at this figure. This is a triangle and this is a circle which is passing through the vertices of a triangle. Such kind of circle is called circumcircle. Here we can also see the definition. The circle passing through the three vertices of a triangle is called a circumcircle. Its center is called the circumcenter. Its center is called circumcenter, which is the point of intersection of the right bisectors of the sides of the triangle. It means if we draw right bisectors on the sides of triangle, mean the lines which make angle 90 with the other side. Now if we draw three right bisectors, like first this one, and second which makes angle 90, this one, and third this one. Know this. If this point of intersection, which is after three right bisectors of three sides of triangles, this point of intersection is called circumcenter, and its radius is called radius, you know, the point from center to any point of circle. This line is called radius. This line may be from here to here, this line may be from here to here, this line may be from here to here. It means radius, and radius of circumcircle is called circumradius and is always denoted by capital A. To find capital R, means circumradius of a triangle, we use this. For result, R capital is always equal to A over 2 sin alpha is equal to B over 2 sin beta is equal to C over 2 sin gamma. We may deduct this result like this. Deduction of law of sines, we can derive the law of sines as capital R is equal to, if this, then we can take 2 common from here and we can multiply it with capital R, then this result is equal to 2R is equal to A over sin alpha is equal to B over sin beta is equal to C over sin gamma, which is the law of sines of plane trigonometry. It means we can use this result according to our need. First very important result, we have to prove that capital R is equal to small a b c over 4 delta. It's very important and very interesting formula. Capital R is equal to a b c over 4 del. 4 del means area of triangle. As we know, R capital R is equal to A over 2 sin alpha. We can see from here R is equal to A over 2 sin alpha, and we know sin 2 alpha is always equal to 2 sin alpha into cos of alpha. If we want to write this one as a half angle formula, then we will divide its angle by 2, means this angle will be divided by 2, this angle will be divided by 2, and this also will be divided by 2. This will become sin of alpha, 2 sin of alpha by 2, and cos alpha by 2, and we will write here sin alpha result, and this one. Now using half angle formula for sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, we have sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, and we know the result of sin alpha by 2, this one, cos alpha by 2, this one. So we will put these formulas, these results here. After multiplying and simplifying, we get this one, where area of triangle is always equal to under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now the second very important type of circle is incircle. If we see this diagram, this is a triangle and this is a circle which passes through the which touches the sides of the triangle. This type of circle is called incircle because it touches three sides of triangle inside. This is called inscribed circle or incircle. Its center is called incenter, and it is the point of intersection of the bisectors of angles, means your angle is divided into two equal parts. This is called angle bisector. This one is angle bisector of this one. This angle bisector is of this angle, and this angle bisector is of this angle. Its radius is called, its radius means every point, every line from this center to the any point of circle. Its radius is called in radius and it is denoted by small r. Now we are going to prove very important result. Small r is equal to area of triangle divided by s. Let the internal bisector of angles of triangle ABC meet at O. Maybe draw OD perpendicular to OB. We can look an example and figure. This is example of incircle. We have taken one circle. We have taken one triangle such that this circle touches all the three sides of triangle from inside. Okay, now we have taken three angle bisectors like this OA, OB, OC and OB. We have drawn perpendiculars from these points, this perpendicular, this perpendicular and this perpendicular. These are also radius. We are representing these lines with small r, and we have denoted these points with E, F and D. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find the area of triangle ABC, and we know we can divide it as area OBC plus area OAC plus OAB, OBA. We can write it as, now we know the area of this triangle is equal to half of perpendicular into base. This is also half of a perpendicular into base. We have put this formula here, and now as we know the length of BC, capital B and capital C. this side is equals to small a, and this OD is equal to r, small r. Similarly, putting values in other terms, we can take 1 by 2 and r common from here, and remaining is a plus b plus c, and a plus b plus c we know this is equal to 2s. So putting 2s and simplifying we get rs. It means this is our we have found result r is equal to del over s.